First, we have to understand the concept of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I'll be dealing in detail in my talk on Friday in Elohim, the concept of God in major world religion. But the best reply that any Muslim can give you regarding the definition of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4, where Allah says, Qul huwallahu ahad. Say He is Allah one and only. Allahu samad. Allah the absolute and eternal. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begets not, nor is he begotten. Walam yakul lahu kuffan ahad. There's nothing like him. This is a 4-line definition of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4. If any person says so-and-so entity is God, if he fits in this 4-line definition of Surah Ikhlas, we Muslims have no objection in accepting that entity as Allah, as God.